Hey guys, come with me today to make some sugar wax at home. Okay, so we're gonna be starting with a pot. I'm using 1.5 cup measuring cups. And I'm gonna put the recipe here because I'm gonna be doing a lot more than what is suggested. But the recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. Once you mix everything together, it will look like this. And this is me doubling my recipe, not even doubling. I actually ended up doing 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of lemon juice. So I made a lot. 15 minutes of it being on the stove. It is now boiling, which is great. We've got quite a bit more time for it to boil, but you can see we've got some bubbles. And as though it's clear, you can see it's trying to change colors. This is 5 minutes later, and we can see it has a little bit more of a tint to it. So after stepping away for just a second, it actually tried to boil over. I immediately pulled it off and began to swirl it. Notice I am swirling and not stirring. I think it affects the sugar or something. I could have made that up, or I could have really learned that over the last couple of years. But after 5 more minutes, it is fizzing, changing color. And after 5 more minutes, it's starting to get some color there. At this point, I want to let it sit for a little to see if it hardens up, of which I let it sit too long, and it definitely hardened up. So to reduce this, I set it back on the stove for medium-low for about 10 more minutes, and it softened up.